Hello everybody, we are going to make a detailed explanation about the revision worksheet that was explained last week. So let's start. The main objectives of this worksheet is that the students should complete a certain dialogue, so should change from singular into plural noun or vice versa, and unscramble certain sentences. First question, the student should complete the following dialogue using the words or the phrases بكم هذه أين هو كم طولك كم درجة الحرارة. Here Callum is asking Heidi a question and Heidi responded by درجة الحرارة صفر, which means the temperature is 0. So here she answered by an amount, so definitely it's كم درجة الحرارة. The second one, Alex asked me a question which is لا أعرف اتصلي به, which means I don't know, call him. And Mia asked the question that Alex asked to Mia is أين هو, which means where is he. The third one is Zainab asked Corey a question and Corey answered by ثمنها $20, which means its price is $20. But because the answer was with ثمنها, definitely Zainab was asking about an object which is feminine, and the question that Zainab asked is what's the price of this, which means here بكم هذه. Fatima also asked Samia a question and Samia responded by طولي متر وسبعون, so yeah, which means I am my height is 170, so the question will be كم طولك, not كم طولك, كم طولك, because Fatima is asking a feminine. In this question we are going to change from singular into plural noun. Here we have بيت, which is home. In order to change بيت into the plural noun, which is two, we need to add a and na. So بيت becomes بيتان. So here the ta, the form of ta will be changed in the middle to become like this in the middle, and then we add a and na, so it's بيتان. The three or more plural form of بيت is بيوت. It has no rule, no grammatical rule. It needs to be memorized, which is بيوت. The second one is صديق. صديق means a male friend. So صديق in the plural form, which is two, is صديقان. We add a and na. And the ka here in the last letter needs to be changed here to become in the middle like this. The ka becomes in the middle. And صديق in the three or more is أصدقاء. It has no grammatical rule also. Here we have صديقة, which is a female friend. It becomes in the plural form, which is two, مثنى. It becomes صديقتان. Notice that it's ending with ta مربوطة, so this ta will be changed to become like this in the middle, and then we add a and na. So صديقتان. So we changed the ta مربوطة into ta in the middle, and then we added a and na. Now when the singular, which is مفرد, is ending with ta مربوطة, we need, if we want to change it into the plural, here it has a grammatical rule. We need to cross the ta مربوطة and add a and ta, so it becomes صديقات. Here I crossed the ta marbuta and I added a and ta. So every singular noun that ends with ta marbuta, singular noun that ends with ta marbuta, and talking about a feminine, if we want to change it into the plural form 3 or more, we need to cross the ta marbuta and add a and ta. In the last question, it's required from the student to unscramble the following sentences. Here we have sab'u, which means 7. We have haqa'ib, which means bags, and indi, which means I have. So the sentence will become I have 7 bags. So it means indi number 1, 2, sab'u haqa'ib. The second sentence, we have here sittatu, which means number 6, karasi, which is in the plural form chairs, al-maktab, which is the office, fi, which means in, and yujad, which means there are. So there are 6 chairs in the office. So there yujad. The second one is sittat كراسي في المكتب. In the third sentence, رقمة, which means number, أعطني means give me, هاتفك, which means, or telephonic means your phone number. So the sentence will be give me your phone number. So give me means أعطني. 2, رقمة, your number, and then هاتفك, which is the phone. Since in the English it's give me your phone number, the number has to be first in the Arabic language and then the phone, because we shuffle them. The fourth sentence, here we have عندي, which means I have, واحد, which means 1, and here هاتف, which means telephone. The sentence is English I have 1 phone. So here 1 is عندي, 2 is هاتف, 3 is واحد. When the number is 1, which means واحد, we need to put the noun first and then the number, which is واحد. But if it's 3 or more, we need to put the number first and then the noun. So the sentence becomes عندي هاتف واحد. ثمن here means price. القلم means pencil. هذا this. $20 $20. So the sentence will be the price of this pen is $20, and the first one is ثمنه, the price of this pen, which means هذا. 3 القلم, which means the pencil, the price of this pencil is $20 $20. So ثمن هذا القلم $20. الساعة, the time. إنها means it's. الواحدة. So the sentence, it's 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. Here it's means إنها. It's 1 o'clock because we have 1. So the o'clock will be first, which is the noun, and then الواحدة will be the last one. So the sentence will become إنها الساعة الواحدة. And we said الواحدة and not الواحد because الساعة ends with تا مربوطة. So definitely the adjective will be like the noun. So إنها الساعة